All right, Teddy. Today's the day. Got my coffee. Waiting for the truck. Should be coming at 7 a.m. and then I've got a rigger coming, hopefully before then. They're gonna come all the way down through here. Into the shop. Exciting stuff. There it is. Hopefully he sees me. Got the forklift and the rigger. So I ended up buying this machine used. It's about 15 months old. It's a SYIL X7 and it came all the way from New York. So that was the first time I've ever paid for a machine and had to figure out rigging and shipping. When the driver was unloading the machine, I finally got to see how it was loaded up, and it was actually a little terrifying. There were only 2 straps over top of the enclosure, which is definitely not ideal, and the machine wasn't even bolted down to the pallet after I had sent them some drawings to show you where the tie down points were. So it was a little disappointing. So my rigger ended up bringing an 18,000 pound forklift, as you can see here in the video. Once he got it down, started driving it around, and it seemed fine at first, but when he got closer to the entrance of the shop where most of the gravel has not been compacted down, he quickly got stuck. And unfortunately this was the common theme of the day. I think the forklift probably got stuck 6 or 7 times, and you can see as he turns his wheels he kind of gets stuck in that little dip there, and it just didn't have the ability to get out. We tried a couple of attempts using the rollback trailer with the hydraulic to kind of push it and pull it out of there, but we had no luck. So my rigger ended up deciding that the best thing would be to pull the truck up to the box truck that the machine was on and pull it with a chain hoist. And I'm not gonna lie, this was pretty terrifying. He kept reassuring me that this was okay, but there's probably a 4 to 5 inch gap between the rollback and the bed of the box truck, and it was pretty nerve-wracking to watch that machine make that gap. But everything went well, and we didn't drop a machine, so that was good, but very scary. You can see my wife and 2 kids in the background of the video, and I think my wife is just as nervous as I was seeing this all take place.
You're gonna be so happy when it's...
Well, the forklift was still stuck, so we managed to get the machine on the rollback, and now my rigger is moving the rollback truck with the machine on the back and precariously kind of tied down, and he's moving the truck around so that now we can use the truck to pull the forklift out. So it was just kind of a logistic nightmare, and this whole process probably took close to 4 hours to just get the machine into the shop. See, I wasn't joking. He's literally using the rollback truck to pull and push the forklift out of that rut with the machine on the back. do you think, buddy? Pretty cool. My son really enjoyed watching this whole thing take place with all the big trucks and machinery. So we finally got the forklift out, and basically my rigger gets a running start and tries to swing the forklift all the way around before getting stuck and get it aligned with the machine. So you can see here in a matter of a few seconds the forklift gets stuck again. And so basically what we did was, I don't have footage of it, but we backed the truck up to the forks, lifted the forklift up, moved the truck out of the way, and dropped it down. And that's what you see right here. So now we've got the machine on the forklift, but the forklift can't move. So then we ended up using the truck to push and pull the forklift with the machine all the way to the shop.
Finally got it on the forklift. Now we just need to get the forklift unstuck. Got the machine in the shop, but the forklift is getting stuck again, so now we're going to use the truck and push it as close as we can into the shop, so then we can use the forklift to pull the machine off the pallet, and then we can move it around with the pallet jack, and then we can call it a day. There it is. Got it on its feet and in the shop. Not an easy thing. Forklift got stuck probably 6 or 7 times in that gravel. 18,000 pound forklift. Whew, man. Happy to have it in here. Now we just got to get power ran to it. Yeah, take it off, buddy, huh?
Take it off.
Take it off. See new machine. You hear that? There it is. You take it off, buddy? Yeah. Is it working? So many fun buttons to press. There it is. Ooh. What is that? Cool. In place. Now I just gotta run power and figure out how to use it. Here we go. I'm just so thankful it's here now. So.